I'm Sumant,
And I'm Sonali.
and we are called the Bad Salsa.
Bad salsa!
Bad salsa? Bad salsa.
You're trying to keep the ball low, I see.
The bar.
Isn't it the ball?
No, the bar.
The bar. Thanks.
Are you going to do Latin salsa?
It's actually bad salsa.
But it's salsa.
It's salsa.
But it's bad.
Literally, it is bad salsa because it's Bivash Academy of Dance. B-A-D, bad salsa.
Oh, it's an acronym.
Got it.
So, where are you from?
We are from Kolkata, India.
How old are you both?
I'm 20.
And I'm 15.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. And why America's Got Talent?
So back there, Sonali's father is a farmer.
Yeah.
And he used to earn $1 a day. So she has an amazing journey to this stage, performing in front of this audience and you lovely judges. We are feeling very proud and very blessed to stand over here.
I want to thank you, first of all, for flying so many hours to come for this audition, and I wish you the most of luck. Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Wow! That was amazing.
Thank you.
Howie, what did you think?
You use the acronym BAD, B-A-D. You are the opposite of bad.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You are surprising, you are energetic, that looked dangerous. It was fast, it was entertaining. I loved it.
Thank you. Sophia.
It was exciting. I wanted to dance, but then I got scared because I couldn't take my eyes off you. You look beautiful together.
Thank you. I loved you guys too. I have seen so much dance on the stage, but there's so many moves that you guys did that I truly have not seen before.
You know what it felt like? You know, like when you watch a movie and you press fast forward?
Yes.
Because it was so fast in a fantastic way. Thank you for flying over, choosing our show to be on. It means a lot to us because without people like you, we have no show. So this was amazing.
Thank you. Let's vote. I'm gonna give you a first yes.
Thank you, man.
Sophia.
Second yes.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yes!
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Simon.
You have 4 yeses.
Woo!